Welcome back, everyone. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Vivo Y50. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. And just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted, but obviously just bear that in mind. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so we'd appreciate the support. But other than that, let's just jump right into this. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, which it is. And we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start off by holding volume up and then hit power. And when the phone loads, it should basically load right into this recovery option. And we want to get into recovery mode. You can scroll with the volume buttons and then power button to select. It's going to load in just a second. Oh, there we go. Set it down and it's already here. So from here, we want to hit clear data. You can use touch in this portion. And then we want to hit clear all data. And then it wants us to confirm on the bottom. I'll hit OK. And then once it's done erasing everything, you can restart it or power it off. In this case, we'll hit return. We'll go back again. And then we'll just, in this case, we'll hit shut down. But if you restart it, it'll just load it to the welcome screen, and you can set it up to the home screen how you did when you first got it. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Vivo Y50. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.